Welcome back. Up next in ASEAN Interview, we have another fascinating discovery to share with you.
That's right กลับเข้าสู่รายการ ASEAN Challenge ค่ะในช่วงนี้นะคะเรามีประเด็นที่น่าสนใจมากๆค่ะเกี่ยวกับการค้นพบโมเลกุลของเซลล์หัวใจที่สำคัญไปติดตามกันเลยค่ะ
Singapore researchers have discovered a new molecule that may hold the key to triggering the regeneration and repair of damaged heart cells. Named SingHeart, this novel molecule may be used for treating heart failure in the future and lead to groundbreaking forms of treatment for heart diseases. This is according to Roger Fu, the study's lead author. The researchers used single-cell technology to explore gene expression patterns in healthy and diseased hearts.
And we call the molecule SingHeart because and I give you an example. You know, when you the heart is a very different organ from the skin because the skin can heal very well, whereas the heart is unable to heal. If the heart can heal like the skin, then and everything is solved. For example, when you cut your skin, you get a scar. The scar will heal underneath that healing process. The scar falls off and everything heals nicely. You have a nice skin again. Unfortunately, that's not the case with the heart. When you have a heart attack, the scar's there. The scar stays permanent. The rest of the heart is trying to cope even with this scar because what makes if you look at muscle, it has ladder markings too. Any cell that can contract has this very classical of a heart cell, heart muscle cell. We have been taking mice and manipulating that molecule and showing that when you give the mouse a heart attack, the mouse can recover if you inhibit that molecule. We've also started taking human heart cells, so that the heart cell I showed you earlier is a mouse heart cell. Now we are able to take human heart cells and put it onto a special in vitro organoid system, like a little tiny organoid of a heart. And then we are in this kind of system here, and then we are planning to screen for molecules to inhibit this long non-coding RNA to help to find the right molecule that can make the heart contract better, okay, and heal. So I think the right thing to say would be several labs around the world are now beginning to find that the heart has its own capability to self-repair and self-heal. And what we have found in our lab is this very new discovery of a molecule that we think can also lead to this possibility of the heart repairing itself. So the molecule is a new discovery. It's the first time that anyone's discovered it anywhere in the world. We've given it a name. We've called it SingHeart. The blocking of SingHeart, we believe, can induce the heart cells to repair itself. And by that I mean allowing the heart cells to divide. This molecule was in the first place in our lab discovered in the mouse. The mouse is actually a very similar mammal to humans, so we are also finding that there is an equivalent in human heart cells. Right now we are working hard to figure out how we can make the same inhibition or blocking to occur in human heart cells. So I would say, given the right technology, advance, motivation and so on, hopefully in the next 5 years to 10 years, we'll find a molecule that can be applied to humans. And then if it works, it would be a completely new way, a new drug to treat heart failure.
Research from the Agency for Science, Technology and Research's Genome Institute of Singapore, also called GIS, and the National University Health System discovered a ribonucleic acid, or RNA molecule in mice that prevents heart cells regenerating and self-healing. In addition, they also found the brakes that prevent heart cells from dividing and thus self-healing. Targeting these brakes could help trigger the repair and regeneration of heart cells, according to these researchers. The research was published this month in Nature Communications. Similar experiments are now planned with human heart cells.
And that was our interesting topic for this week here on the ASEAN interview. With that wraps up our show for this week as well. We'll see you next week. As for now, สวัสดีค่ะ
สวัสดีค่ะ